This 2019 Grand Design Reflection 150,230RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 28 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, smoke detector, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, awning, spare tire kit, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Grand Design Reflection 150,230RL is 6,945 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.